Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to lock Samsung phone screen with side button. So if you press the power button once on your Samsung phone screen, this is going to lock your Samsung phone screen. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to lock Samsung phone screen with power button, all you simply need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on lock screen and AOD. Now locate and click on secure lock settings. Type in your Samsung phone PIN and then click on continue. Now scroll down and locate lock instantly with side button. Now when next you want to lock your Samsung phone screen, just go ahead and press the side button or power button and your Samsung phone screen will be locked. Now for you to access it, you need to go ahead and type in your Samsung phone PIN and click on OK, and that's it. So that is exactly how to lock Samsung phone screen with side button. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.